guys, it's Odin here. Welcome back to another video. And today is my first day lucky. I have a webcam. Set on the computer.
Look! Oh my
So
god.
I'm gonna play. I'm now gonna play. Wait. So as you can see. Wait. What? Why is it locked? I don't know why. So let's go back to here. Yes, how to do this? Alright, so let's go. So, this one's it.
Asa? May asa? Oh.
Wait, so right click and edit.
May.
I don't know.
Asa?
Wait.
Dire?
I got it, mine.
Oh, kung hindi
Try
ko din
to
mo
take Okay, so inspect continue. So inspect continue. Right click and edit. H2. I don't have H2. Oh, no, I don't have anything. Okay, so what was it again? So it's, wait, what was it say? Wait, I don't know what it just said. It right click and then edit. Oh wait, so right click and then edit. Let's do this. So right click. What is edit? Edit, HTML. Okay, so what is it? And then edit. Delete all. So delete all. How? Okay, so it's delete all. Wait. Sorry guys. So it's delete all. Okay. So it's right there. I mean, there. Alright, it's right there. Okay, so now delete all. Delete. So copy paste it. Seriously? What's okay? This one, nope, not Jake. Don't hack me. Here it is. Okay. Stood out my mom passing. Paste it. So I did paste it. And then now what? See? It's disappeared. I don't know. What did it say? Go down. Wait, I wasn't paying attention. Wait, what? Wait, so press X. Press X. Okay, so press X. Hey! Hey! I don't know, where's my dog? Like that. I don't know. See? I know. It's disappeared. I don't know. It disappeared. So it says go down. I did go down. What? Oh, by the way, I'm in Philippines, guys, so don't judge me. I'm in. Yeah. Wait, so what was that again? I did.
Nek! Doon naman lang lagi ang itlog.
There, the generator. Add to. Wait, what? Add to what? Add to what?
Oras ka naman gabi eh.
Add to account. Add to account. Let's add to account and save and leave. Oh. gosh, I can finally get Robux. It's my first time to have Robux, guys. So yeah, just don't judge me if I'm hacking or something. Well, I'm your, YouTuber. I can't hack or anything like that. After this, we're going to play Arsenal. Arsenal is the best game ever, and I'm pro at that. Mom, I'm recording. I'm recording.
Asa ang kuan?
I gotta sweep the floor, by the way. Now it's me. That's the way the one is popping.
Next. Ha? Iba na nga kanang may snacks. Ikuan ba lang ba? Next. Asang toothpaste?
Can you get out, Morgan, please?
Ha? Ribbon? Was Jude. Haligbe?
Hold on. Alright, so let's go continue. Yeah, that's a lot of things.
The next. Hello. Asa David?
Me. Click preview. It says click preview. Okay. Preview. Now what? Stop it. Click add account. Click add account. Click account. Yeah, already sweet. So it's been 7 minutes. Yeah. I want to get free Robux, bro. I haven't or save. I did when I went 100% refresh the page. When? Okay. Thanks for what? Did not give me Robux. Is that how you're supposed to troll me, huh? I know these. Bye. Bro, that was actually... Alright, let's play Arsenal now. Just get this. That was sucks. I'm gonna put my webcam over there. Why? Oh, so let's just go put on the right, like that. And then let's go to games. Go to games and Arsenal. I'm good at Arsenal. I'm good at it. I promise. Yeah. Let's go with public server. I have a VIP server. Well, not VIP. Still VIP. Right here. Here it is, baby. Right. Yeah, I just. Where's the sound? Let's go blue. So I have katana and everything. Oh my gosh! As you can see, I have 3,116 bucks. Yeah, this is good. I'm good at this. Yeah, I'm good at this. All right. Oh no. Oh, yeet. Okay, good. Oh no, I almost headshot him. Get your back, dude. If I do a headshot, I'm just gonna do a headshot. Yep, I did not go to headshot. Alright, so now... Wait. Who's more? Where's left? Is it over here or is it there? Comment down below if you want... What? I want milk, please. Please. I want milk. Yeah, boy. What? Bandits? No, that's the fake bandits, bro. All of the people wanted to copy Bandits. Boom. What the word is it? Oh, stab him! Stab him! Yeah, boy.
Naman yung gatas.
Nothing. Ow. 20 for health. Are you actually kidding me? Oh, I died. Yo! Okay, dual shotguns. Big update. Yeah. Who's that?
Serene.
What? Oh!
It's fire. Huh?
Fire truck. Why? Is there a fire truck in this movie?
Alarming?
Not alarming. My mom's keep on being funny.
No.
Get out of my wall! Okay, good. You just crammed that guy, bro. That's so funny. Ah, why? Pulka is actually 5 in the streak right now. Well, I say Pulka because it's him. Pulka. Oh! What's it? Is there Tweenies? Actually, so there's Tweenies. In tomorrow's video, I'm gonna be releasing some of the their videos. So that's how they do. Tomorrow I'm gonna release it. Stay tuned, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, click the bell, and then leave a like if you enjoy, and then comment down below who is your favorite. Yeah. So one of my friends are just going to help me out from the video. So yeah. So tomorrow morning, okay? Got him. I don't know if you're America or China right now or Hong Kong. That's how I do it. I actually backstabbed that guy. He's so pro. Oh, boom. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna knife him. No, please don't. Okay. Boom. Ha! Oh, yo, those headshot. Yeah, boy. Oh. Bro, I'm actually in 5 streak right now, and then he killed me. Go. Oh no! Oh no! No! Why? It's been 12 minutes since I have not ended the video. This is a live stream, by the way. This is not a live stream. Whoa! Please don't. Okay, good. Oh! It was almost. Why? Why? Oh, come on, man. Oh no. Peacemaker. From the army of the gun. It's actually a revolver. Boom. Boom. Peace. Oh! Wait, did I? Oh my god. Okay. I've been a lot of. So I'm good at the Earthman. You know why? I have skills. Just don't. If you want me to, I am always online if I'm in Roblox. And then I'm not to record, because recording is actually can do my thing. I record stuff, and my old account got hacked because Yan Gaming 123. I have actually like Kuya or brother called Yan. Maybe that's his account or something. No, please don't. Look at it. Stop, I'm filming this video. Stop. Roblox is actually. Ow! Oh, nice. Stop, bro. Stop.
Keyboard sabi?
Oh, okay. Keyboard.
Dito yung correct one.
With a screen-o-matic.
Install ka?
You just record, bro. Santa.
Install na po.
What?
Pang screen record daw niya.
Spoiled child. I'm not using the max. Ooh, potassium powder. Wait, first gun. How do we get the